I'm out here at the Rogerson Clematis Gardens. I'm with Kathy Whitman. And Kathy, the gardens are coming alive, they're awakening, the classes are coming, there's so much going on out here at the gardens.
And there always is.
There are. And you guys have a class coming up here on the 26th.
We do. We have events and classes all through the season, but on the 26th, I'm teaching a really fun class. It's about how to plan and plant your own cutting garden, where to put it, what to plant, and the class only allows, I think, 10 people. So we do a lot of individual instruction if you have special places in your garden that it should or shouldn't be. So, and then in June is the second part of the garden, which talks about how to bring your garden indoors, when to cut, and how to arrange the blooms that you bring in. So it's a really fun series.
And you guys have, there's so much information on your website for people that are interested in these classes.
Exactly, yes, RogersonClematisGarden.org. And yes, events through the whole season. Then we have another class in April, I think it's the 23rd, of how to make those gorgeous Lake Oswego hanging baskets. We will have the same materials that are used in those baskets. Now the morning session is full, but the afternoon session, 1 o'clock, is still available on the website.
Which is good to remember because, we think of the clematis gardens as just being clematis, but there's so much more that you guys are offering here for the classes.
Absolutely, and even just a tour through the garden to see how to plant your clematis, how to site your clematis, what kind of things go best with clematis. So this is the Lake Oswego City Public Garden. So you are welcome anytime to walk through the gardens, but as it wakes up in the spring, like you said, it's just coming alive right now.
It is. And you do have, memberships to the gardens, and those memberships have benefits.
Oh, they certainly do. They certainly do. Not only are you supporting a wonderful garden like this, which is just so important anyway, but the classes then are $10. They really have a big discount, and for the higher levels of membership, they're free.
So not only are the gardens open where you can come out and enjoy the gardens and you have the amazing classes, but you can also purchase plants here.
Absolutely. Our plant sales begin about early April. We have a greenhouse full of wonderful plants for you to buy, and we would love to see you here.
Well, the gardens are looking great. You guys do an amazing job up here. There's so much, it's coming on for the spring. We're so excited to get back out to, classes and being able to meet in person again. So make sure you go to their website or you can go to gardentime.tv. So Kathy, thanks for having us out today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.